Hi guys, my name is Anu and welcome to my channel Glitter and Glaze. This is my very first video on my channel and I'm so excited. I really want you guys to watch it with the same excitement that I'm shooting with. So guys, this is the very first video and in today's video I am planning to review or probably giving you the first impression and the unboxing for one of the products which I recently came across when I was doing the online shopping on Flipkart. If you are an Indian viewer, you must definitely be very well aware of the Flipkart online shopping portal. So and I thought it would be a very good topic to cover in the very first video because I'll be presenting a very new product with you guys and giving my impression on it, and later on reviewing the same one for you. So the product name is called Hope Girl. It is a Korean brand, and when I looked at it, it caught my eyes, and because of its cute packaging, the prices are not very cheap, I'm telling you. Then I thought, let me just Google about it and see if it's not something a crap and I end up buying it and regretting it later. So I googled about it and I saw the Korean beauty subscription box, Mimi Box. They also contains these products along with the Etude House, Tolimoly and other Korean chains. So I thought if Mimi is having it, it should not be a crap, and it should be a known product as well. So I just went ahead and bought a couple of products from their range. They have foundations, compacts, blusher, eyeliners, lip glosses, and some translucents as well. Right now I feel Flipkart is showing or probably the containing a very limited stock, or probably the limited chain product chain from this brand. I hope they increase and stock all the products which comes under this brand. The packaging is really cute. So the first impression when I looked at the packaging was like, okay, I am liking it. This package I got it yesterday itself, and I thought, okay, probably I should just go ahead and shoot this video today itself with all the excitement I have. So let's get into the first impression, guys. So the first product which I bought is the blusher. It comes with this cardboard packaging with all the black and leopard print on it. The written part is Hope Girl Honey Blink Blusher, and it is in shade 04 Vanilla Pink. Vanilla Pink means I think it would be a very muted color. So that's how the exact product looked like. It has this golden finish and the leopard print, and I think it looks very luxurious, right? So when I open it, it comes with its blusher brush, and I have already looked at the products and I really like the blusher, the brush quality. The bristles are very soft and they're very dense as well, so it doesn't seem a very crap product. The scrap brush which usually comes with the blusher, so we usually throw it away and we end up buying our professional makeup brushes. But I think this is something you can carry around when you are traveling, and you don't have to be worried about carrying so much brushes for your face application, for your eyes and other stuff. This is something you can carry around and use with this blusher, or probably with your other blushers as well. It's good for contouring and it feels very soft on your skin. I'm really liking it. And the actual product looks like this. It has this Hope Girl written on it, and it is a very pink peach muted color, which is good for the summertime. I live in Bangalore and summer is already here, and this is the time when I don't want to wear a lot of pink, a lot of orange on my cheeks, and when I go to office I want to look fresh and a little bit of hint of color on my face without looking very like a clown or something in office. So if I have not tested it out on my face, what I'm planning to do is wear all the three products tomorrow to my office and see how it turns out by end of the day, so that way I can I can decide upon how's the quality of the product, what is the longevity of the product, how it reacted to my dry and sensitive skin. And if it is good, then this is definitely going to my in my current favorite. Let's swatch it, guys, and when I swatch it, it seems very smooth and it is quite pigmented. And when I swatch it at the back of my hand, it is very buildable. I could blend it easily with my finger, and I think with the brush also it should be equally smooth. It has a little bit of glitter in it, but these are not overpowering or something which will catch the eyes of everybody who is looking at you. but I still need to apply it on my face and see how it turns out on my cheeks. But so far so good. It doesn't contain any kind of smell, so if you have a sensitive nose, you don't like products which have high fragrance, this could be a perfect blush for you guys. So far so good. Packaging wise, definitely a thumbs up. The first impression looking at the brush is I'm loving it, and color is also something which I was looking forward to. So let's get into the second product. The second product which I bought is the kajal, sorry, the eyeliner. I was actually running out of my eyeliner, so I wanted to buy a black one. And when I saw this product, I thought, okay, let me just go ahead and buy the black one out of it, and because this is something I will be using on a daily basis and I can make a most of it. It was about 400 or something. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the prices because the outer packaging which the products comes with, then I threw it away. So I'll be checking it again on the Flipkart and update the prices in my description box below. So do not forget to check the description box because that will be containing the price details and the link from where I bought this product. So the color is 01 Black, and it is a wooden eyeliner pencil. It says a gel eyeliner, waterproof gel eyeliner pencil. So that is how it looks. It has this leopard print on it, and guys, it comes with a sharpener. That is the best thing, I'm telling you, because I hate it when I have to carry my sharpener along with my eyeliner, my lip pencils, because it unnecessary increase the weight of my luggage. And this is so handy. If I'm I have to sharpen it, I just take out the sharpener, sharpen it up and just apply it. So I really like the products. It is very thoughtful to provide these kind of products with their own sharpener. It is a jet black, and it is very soft, very smooth, very black and velvety finish it is giving. It is actually giving the gel liner finish. It reminds me of Urban Decay Gel Glide eyeliner pencils. So I hope it stays for a very long time on my eyes and does not cause any kind of irritation or make my eyes watery or something. So for that I will be wearing it again on my eyes and review it for you guys. So you guys please come back to my channel and for the reviews of these products. The last product which I bought from this range is the lip gloss, and it is in color it's in color 10 Strawberry Latte. Okay, so it says it's a milky smoothie lip gloss. I believe it is not very pigmented. It's not a lip color or the matte lip color something. It is a gloss one. These days I am actually inclined towards more of the glosses rather than the matte ones. I don't know for what reason. Maybe it's a summertime and I just want to look fresh, that's it, not so much of color. And I'm a mommy and I hardly get time in the morning to get ready with all the things on my face. So I usually try to pick a few things and just apply it on my face so that it makes me look very fresh and doesn't make me look like I just got up from the bed and I was prepared to breakfast and I was running for office. I don't want to look like that. I just want to look perfect and very fresh when I reach to office. So I picked up this color. This is a very peachish pink color, which would be good if I just apply the eyeliner on my eyes and a little bit of hint of blush on my cheeks and lip gloss, which will give some shine, a little bit of plumpiness to my lips and adding a little hint of color, but not a lot of color. If you want color, you can probably go ahead and apply the lip pencil underneath and apply this gloss, but I prefer to wear gloss as it is. Though I don't have a little pigmented lips, then also I prefer to wear it as it is. So this is how it comes. It is a plastic bottle, and the top part is the golden leopard print again. The packaging is definitely worth buying, I'm telling you guys. It is worth buying. I am loving it. And it comes with this classic Duofort applicator, which is easy to apply on your lips. It has this milky vanilla fruity smell, It's not very overpowering, so I think it should not bother your nose. I'm fine with the fragrance of the products, and I think it will fade away after after a few hours of the application. Let's see. But when I swatch it at the back of my hand, it is something which just give a little bit of hint of the color, some glossy effect to your lips without adding much of the color to your lips. So that is how it looks. Can you see it? I hope you can. So it is like classic gloss color, I would say. I don't know if it is very sticky or something, so for that also I will apply it, and I'll let you know guys about the texture and everything of this gloss as well. So guys, these were the 3 products which I bought from Hope Girl range, and I hope that these products turn out really good and make me buy more and more products from the same range. So guys, if you like my video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Glitter and Glaze. Please subscribe it, because that's how you'll get to know whenever I update my second video on my channel. I'll try to be very regular on reviewing the products for you guys. I'll include everything which comes with the hauling and reviewing the new products, latest finding, my first impressions, some skincare products, fashion, lifestyle, everything. I will try to update everything on my this channel, and share my life day-to-day life updates with you guys. I have an Instagram account which is anuguptas26. So the details will be listed in my about section, so please do not forget to check out my Instagram as well, on which I usually update on the day-to-day basis, and whatever I buy, I come across some DIY tips, everything I upload on my Instagram. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video, and if you like, then please like it, please subscribe it, because that will motivate me to shoot more and more videos. I have a lot of topics planned for you guys, so give me a chance to share my views with all of you guys. So on that note, I shall take a leave now, and I shall see you guys